Hey there, home cooks! Ready to whip up something cheesy and delicious? Today, I'm showing you how to make a cheesy breadcrumb egg bake that's perfect for any meal. Let's dive in. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, grab a mixing bowl. We'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 2 large eggs. Now, toss those breadcrumbs into the bowl. Add in that beautiful cheddar cheese. Finally, crack those eggs in and give it a good mix. You want everything to be fully incorporated, so don't be shy with that stirring. Once everything's mixed, grab a greased baking dish. Transfer the mixture into the dish and spread it out evenly. Now it's time to pop it in the oven. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the eggs are set. The smell is going to be amazing. While we wait, let's talk macros. For this entire bake, you're looking at around 400 calories, 30 grams of carbs, 25 grams of protein, and 20 grams of fat. Not too shabby, right? Alright, time's up. Carefully remove your bake from the oven and let it cool for just a few minutes before slicing and serving. Trust me, you'll want to let it set a bit to make those perfect slices. And there you have it. A simple, cheesy breadcrumb egg bake that's sure to become a household favorite. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.